Hi guys, so I've been seeing the squishy dumpling dough thing on my home for a lot of times, where you get to see like these stuff. So I'm gonna try to do it. Let's tell me how you think about it, okay? This is the second time I'm posting a video, and I'm so happy of how many, views I got. I don't know why I can't speak in them for some reason. But yeah, I'm so happy in how many views I got. I think I'm good, and I'm really happy with everything. Let's start. I don't even know how to play this. I'm gonna try to hide it here. I think it can be in the middle. No. Maybe here. Oh. I'm gonna die, guys. I'm pretty sure I am. Don't pick. Okay. Let me try again, guys, so we can actually get something good this time. I'm gonna lose. Okay. I'm gonna hide here. I don't think anybody will expect me to hide here. No. Okay. I'm kind of stressed out, guys. Yes! I got a glitter. Got 200. I just realized there's a shop and rewards and skins. Let's look at skins. Let's look at the shop, guys. Oh, so you can change like the share. Wait, this is actually so cool. VIP. I'm not gonna buy anything because I don't want to spend Robux. I have 0 Robux. Clean. Okay, let's go find someone to sit with. Okay. Wait. It's actually no. I just noticed there's a literal. Another space now. Here, so. Oh. Wherever I go, I keep getting. Oh, because I touched. That place is scary. Okay. Let's go here. Okay, let's start. I'm gonna have mine in the same place because I think it's a really good place. My turn? Oh wait, I got it on the first try. Oh my god. I can't believe I got it on the first try. Oh my god, this is so cool. I think that we're gonna try. Okay. I got a streak. Oh, this one is her. There's a streak on the head, so I think it's a good thing. I'm gonna hide mine glitter over here. I think they're done, right? So they're still picking. Oh my god, they're so close. I was like shocked for a moment. I think that maybe like the first one that you pick might be like, yeah, exactly. So the first place that you pick is probably where you hid in the glitter. That's what I just noticed from now. Like most people does that. So I think maybe I would do that also. This is actually a really fun game. I want to buy these. Oh my god, these are so cute. I want rainbow, purple. Let's see how much I have. I have 700, guys. 50 more and we get the pink dumpling. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna get 750, so 50. I'm gonna look for people who's. Guys, I'm lonely. Will anybody please sit? Oh yeah, found it. Go, just sit. Sit! Oh my god, oh my god. There's no one! Guys, please help save me. I'm gonna go back to the same person, guys. This time, I'm gonna at this same place. Super good things. I love it that they pick first, so I can know which one it is. Oh, I have to pick first. Yeah, sorry. I got on the first try, guys. That's free money. I just realized she is like AFK, I think. No. That's not the real Anna, right, guys? Yeah, it's not. Yeah, I forgot. Sorry. I'm just gonna play with her. Please, because I'm bored. Okay. Put the same place. Oh. I think both of them were AFK. Okay, let's get the pink. So like, I guess this is all, guys. I think it's kind of pretty boring, but not that much. It's all good. Thank you for watching, and I'm happy and everything. So please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye, guys.